back to the channel. Today we are actually about to meet up with a pretty well-known YouTuber up in the Bay Area. His name's Jensen. Because I mean, if you watch this channel, the chances are you definitely watch his channel. His channel is about mainly drifting his Hellcat, and he makes hella good content. So he was there when I raced the white Hellcat. He was in the passenger seat on one of the runs. We're gonna go for a ride along, and then we're probably, I mean, I'll fuck around and let him drive it, bro. Like, I mean, I ain't tripping, you know. He knows how to handle cars. So we'll see once we get there. But that's what's going on in this video. Yeah, so I just pulled up to the spot we were gonna meet at, and I'm just waiting for him to show up right now. And just letting the car cool down a bit. I'll probably lower my tire pressure down. But you know what's weird? My fucking my rear wheels get out of balance every time my car dead ass hooks. Like, this shit hooks so hard that the wheels get off balance, and I gotta rebalance them again now. So my ride's a little wobbly, but it's nothing unsafe, you know. So we'll probably be safe with it and get it done. I thought one of my rims were bent, or the front ones or the rear ones, or something was wrong, but I checked all the wheels. I haven't checked the front ones, but I'm pretty sure they're not bent, bro. Like, it's been fine. Because when I got this tire on last week, the ride was completely fine, and then I did a pull, and after like the second or third pull, that shit got off balance. It got hella wobbly. So that's what I'm assuming. Like, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what happens. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, I'm always down here.
Yeah, you're exercising, right?
Huh?
You're doing exercising and stuff?
Yeah, bro has a gym right here. Shit.
How is this like?
870.
870 to the wheel?
Yeah. That's what I'd be using. Nitrous when you guys used the 01?
I didn't.
He did though?
Yeah, he blew his clutch when he did it. He sprayed like a 300 shot and blew his clutch.
I'm trying to feel that, bro, because I heard nitrous just hits different.
Yeah. It's close.
For real?
It's pretty close, yeah.
You want to drive it back?
Yeah.
Hella, bro, it gets annoying.
You might need like what he has, beat locks.
Yeah, that's what everyone's telling me too. Damn, boy. Shit.
That woke me up.
Yeah, it woke my ass up too. Shit. What's up, guys? So I'm actually back at the house now, and so we did end up doing a little ride along. I let him drive the car back just because, like, fuck it, why not? It ended up going good. Thankfully, nothing bad happened. He did a little second gear pull, and the car the rear end kicked out a little bit, but he caught it. I knew he was gonna catch it, so I mean, I wasn't tripping like that. But if you guys are from his channel, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're from this channel and you don't know about his channel, which you definitely should, because he's way bigger and he makes way better content, definitely go check his channel out. Hello, I'm Jensen. Makes dope ass content, dope ass videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.